So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to record an online tutorial or an online lecture. So one thing that I would suggest before started to record, so make sure that you have whatever you want to present in hand, open it, so that once you press on record, you can show it right away. You don't have to go through the file and then worry that you might have shown something that you don't want to show. So for Macs, there's a special application called QuickTime Player. So in order to go to QuickTime Player, we can go click on Launchpad right here, which will go to all of the program in our computer. And then from here, we can start typing QuickTime Player, and then we click on that. And once we have opened this application, we will see the name QuickTime Player on the top left right here. And then we can start recording by press on File and then use screen recording. So this is the menu of the recording. So for this video, we're not going to talk about this three option. This three option, it's just a screenshots, and we're not going to talk about that. So for this video, we're interested in recording a video. So these are the two main options. So the first option is if you want to record the entire screen. So that's what I would recommend. It will capture the whole screen of your PC, of your Mac. For this one, is record selected portion. So for some reason you only want to record this menu only, so you also have that option as well. And if you click on option, we will see, so this is the location that you want to save the file. You can save it on desktop. Timer, it's basically mean that the time it will start record once you press on the record button. And microphone is this is the input of the microphone, so it can be from your AirPod, can be from your built-in microphone. And yeah, show mouse click, it's basically will show the student or the viewer, or every time you click it, it will show kind of bubble on your mouse to emphasize it. Oh, you click on right here. And all right, so let me show you. So in order to record, so for this example, I'm going to record the whole screen. So I select this and then I press record. And as you can see, the timer starts firing off, so it's not being recorded yet. But once it goes 0, it will start to record. So now I can go through my material, and I can go and present it normally, just the way we present it in class or in person. We can say it, and both the screen and also our voice is being recorded. So, and we can also go to present mode, and then you can go through the slide like that. And once we've done with our recording, what you need to do is you need to press the stop button right here, and then make sure that you save it. So you can select where you want to save. So you can click where you want to save. You want to save in desktop. For here, I save in this folder. Press save. And there you go. And then you can check out your video by pressing this.
Now I can go through my material, and I can go and I can go and present it normally, just the way we present it in class or in person. We can say it, and both the screen and also our voice is being recorded. So, and we can also
so I'm not touching anything. This is on my mouse.
And go through the slide like that. And once we've done with our recording,
thanks for watching, everyone.
You need to press the stop.
Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you guys find this video helpful. And that's all. Bye.